Hey friends, Beth from the Cook's Cottage here, and I am so excited you guys are here today. A few weeks ago, I asked over on my Instagram what kind of content you guys wanted to see for the month of December. I had quite a few ideas, and I did express that every year we do an annual Christmas party at my house with all of the cousins, and this is something I did growing up. We all the grandkids would go to Mima's house. We'd have a night of doing all kinds of Christmas festivities. I'm pretty sure that's when the parents went Christmas shopping, if I'm not mistaken. And then we'd all have a big sleepover. So this year's Christmas party theme is the Polar Express. The night before everybody came over, I decided I wanted to get the train out of the way. I decided to do a ride on DIY Christmas slash Polar Express train. And the kids are going to be watching the movie inside the boxes with blankets and pillows and the carts. I guess that's what they're called, like a cart. Each kid is going to have their own cart. They're going to get to watch the movie and that. And then we host Christmas morning every single year. So come Christmas morning, the train will be displayed. We will organize the kids' gifts and put them into each box. And then that way, transportation is really easy for everybody that has to take gifts home with them. So I'm really excited. I cannot wait to show you guys how great this turned out. So first things first, I am just getting the box ready, and I am going to go ahead and use some tape just to add some extra reinforcement. You know how kids can get a little rough and crazy, so I just wanted to make sure these were really secure. And now taking a plastic tablecloth, I went ahead and wrapped this around the box long ways, and I made sure to leave some extra tablecloth inside the box. You'll see why in just a moment. Lord knows I wish I had more hands. Fortunately, I don't, so these binder clips are going to go ahead and be my extra hands during this project. After your binder clips are secure, you're going to go ahead and flip over your box. And I just used a stapler for this portion of it, and I basically wrapped it like you would a Christmas present. Of course, the sides that are visible, you're going to really want to make sure that they're as tight as they possibly can be. Just make sure that you're really pulling at it before you staple it down. I wanted the inside of the carts to have a clean look, which is why I said to leave some tablecloth on the inside. So as you can see, I'm folding it over and then stapling that tablecloth down just to give it a nicer look. All of these plates did come in a set from Amazon, and I decided to go ahead and add the little plates inside of the larger plates to give it more of that 3D effect. I did end up getting something for the front of the train off of Amazon, so I'm stacking some boxes here and again wrapping a tablecloth around those boxes and making sure to secure it in place. I believe this part of the train was supposed to technically be like a backdrop. There's little holes to anchor it, but I went ahead and just stapled it down to the boxes just to secure it in place. I thought it would be fun to make each kiddo a plaque for the side of their carts, and at the end here in just a moment, you'll see that I made a template that you guys can go ahead and screenshot if you'd like to make this as well yourself, and I also included the Polar Express ticket in case you were interested. I do think this train in the end turned out super cute. Because we did use a stapler, I did make sure that I put blankets and pillows in before the kiddos laid down in it. So if you guys saw my Christmas in July video, you guys saw that we made graham cracker gingerbread houses. And every single year when we do this party, we always have some kind of activity for the kids to do. We've done homemade salt dough ornaments. We've made sugar cookies and decorated them. We have done painted gingerbread houses. And this year, I thought it would be fun to incorporate that same thing that we did in my Christmas in July video and make those graham cracker gingerbread houses. So I'm going to go ahead and prep the foundation of them. So that way, when the kids are ready to get started on that, it's just ready to go and they can just start decorating. They don't need to worry about it crumbling down. It's a bunch of 4-year-olds. That's just asking for a meltdown to happen. So
From house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah. A Merry Christmas.
Did you sneak one?
I just ate one.
Oh, just one? Okay.
I'm not lying.
You're not lying. Good, because Santa's watching, right? Yes, ma'am.
Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, 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 oh.
So, fun fact for you guys. I don't know if I've ever said this in a video or not, but behind this wall, there's actually a window that we never closed up. We just covered it because we had no room for to fit the fridge. There wasn't enough room in the kitchen.
I also made some Polar Express tickets. So when they walk in the front door, I'll go ahead and hand them their ticket, and then they'll see the train because it is displayed right when you walk in. Okay, friends, that is it for today's video. I am so happy you guys came along and saw our annual Christmas night. If you guys have any ideas for next year's annual Christmas night, like any different themes that we could do for it, let me know. I always like to make a prop, like I was saying, so if I have a head start and kind of can start brainstorming early, it's really great for me. But I'm so happy you guys were here today. If you guys did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up so I know what you guys want to see more of. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to The Cook's Cottage. We would love to have you here. But that's going to do it for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I love you.
Aw, you're so sweet.
I love you.